Welcome back. In this video, we're going to solve another SQL problem. Question 37. How to find the nth highest salary in an employee table. In our solution, we'll write a function in SQL Server and see how to call it. We have an employees table. Each row contains employee details including salary and name. Employee ID is the column with unique values. Our task is find the nth highest distinct salary. If there are fewer than n distinct salaries, we should return null. The samples of input table and output are in the following table. In this case, if n equals 2, the second highest salary is 19,000. Let's see the solutions in SQL Server Management Studio. In SQL Server, we can wrap our query inside a user-defined function. Here we're creating a scalar-valued function because it returns a single value, the salary. The function name is getNthHighestSalary, and it accepts one parameter at n, the rank of the salary we want. Inside, we use denseRank to assign ranks to distinct salaries in descending order. Then we return the salary whose rank equals at n. Once the function is created, it appears under programmability. Functions. Scalar-valued functions. In SQL Server Management Studio, to call it, we simply use a select statement. For example, select dbo.getNthHighestSalary 1 returns 24,000, the highest salary. Select dbo.getNthHighestSalary 2 returns 19,000. And if we ask for the 100th highest salary, it returns null. You may be wondering, why do we write dbo.getNthHighestSalary instead of just getNthHighestSalary? Here's why. In SQL Server, every object belongs to a schema. A schema is like a container or namespace. By default, most user-defined objects are stored in the DBO schema. So, when we created our function, its full name became dbo.getNthHighestSalary. If we don't include the schema, SQL Server first checks the default schema of the current user. If it doesn't find the function there, it may return an error. Instead of common table expression with denseRank, we can also solve the problem using max and offset. Fetch. Here, we sort salaries in descending order, skip the first n-1 rows, and fetch the next row. That directly gives us the nth highest salary. This method is shorter and more direct. So which approach should you use? denseRank. Function. More explicit, easy to follow. Works well if you also need ranks for multiple rows. Offset fetch. Shorter code, very direct. Can be less efficient for very large datasets, since it must sort all rows. Both are correct. It depends on your use case and preference. To wrap up, we created a user-defined function to find the nth highest salary. We learned how to call the function using select statement. And we explained why DBO is required because it specifies the schema. Finally, we compared two different SQL approaches. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.